check around with the syllabus for maths for class 10, what we find is there are actually around what 19 chapters. Of these 19 chapters, they are basically being divided into 7 different sections. The first one that we have is number system. What is it? The first one is number system. In number system, there is one chapter only, which is real numbers. Now, according to the board pattern, you'd be getting 6 marks from this chapter. You'll be getting 6 marks from this chapter. In details, we'll be talking what are the topics we need to cover up from here. The second section that you have is algebra. In algebra, there are basically 4 chapters. The 4 chapters are polynomials, linear equations in 2 variables, quadratic equations, and arithmetic progression. The first segment, that is number system, will be of 6 marks. The second segment, algebra, will be of 20 marks. So from a board's point of view, you know that this segment is very, very essential. When I say very, very essential, what I mean, there are 4 chapters, and these 4 chapters contributes 20 marks, which is 1/4 of the marks of your maths paper in your boards. So this is a segment which we need to crack hard if we really want to score good marks in maths. The third segment is a very easy segment, which is known as coordinate geometry. Now, over here in coordinate geometry, the marks allotted is 6 marks, and you need to study only one chapter over here, right? So, the first one we had talked about number system, which is of 6 marks. The second one we talked about algebra, which consists of 4 chapters, 20 marks. The third one we had talked about coordinate geometry, which again is of 6 marks. Next comes is the geometry portion. The geometry portion consists of 3 chapters. What are these 3 chapters? The 3 chapters are triangles, circles, and constructions. Now again, this is consisting of 15 marks. A great amount of marks is also devoted over here. So what do we have? We have triangles, circles, and constructions. These are the 3 chapters that we have, and the marks allotted is 15. The next segment, a very, very important segment, is that of trigonometry. Now this trigonometry, in a whole, you'll be having 5 chapters which you need to take care of. The first one will be trigonometric ratios. You need to talk about trigonometric ratios. The second one would be trigonometric ratios of some particular angles, where we'll be dealing with certain angles. The third one is trigonometric identities, right? There will be few identities through which you have to prove some sums. You have trigonometric ratios of complementary angles as the fourth one. And the most interesting of this lot would be height and distance. So these 5 chapters will contribute 12 marks. So trigonometry's contribution in your board exam will be of 12 marks. Coming down to the next one, that's mensuration. Mensuration consists of 3 chapters. What are these 3 chapters? In this segment, you will be having perimeter and area of plane figure. You'll be having area of circle, sector, and segments. You would also be having volume and surface area of solids. So these 3 will be contributing 10 marks. I repeat again the contribution, it is 10 marks. The last one and the easiest of the lot, you would be having statistics and probability. When I talk about statistics and probability, you'll be having basically two chapters over here. One will be dealing with statistics. The other will be dealing with what? Probability. In statistics, you need to study about mean, median, mode, ogive, grouped data, right? These are the things you'll be talking about. And in probability, you will be calculating for various probability for various observations, like for a dice, for cards, maybe for you need to calculate it for what? For a coin. These are the calculations that we'll be having, and the contribution of this will be 11 marks. I just take you through this discussion once again. Number system, the contribution is 6 marks. Algebra, contribution 20 marks. Coordinate, 6 marks. Geometry, 15 marks. Trigonometry, 12 marks. Mensuration, 10 marks. And statistics and probability is 11 marks. In total, this is what my 80 marks paper will look like.
So this brings us to the end of the lecture. Well, before I sign off, as I always do, I would request you, in case you have any queries, please do feel free to write to me at scubesclasses@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the numbers given on your screen. It would be a privilege on my part to be addressing your queries. Thank you so much.